So, I got a package from Otter Arms today. He sent me another sticker. He sent me a coin from the Bentonville Fire Department. Pretty sweet. He sent me an Avis EC75 7550 on loan. I'm gonna send this one back to him. He sent me an antique Yale. The thing about the Yale is there's no pins, so I think I'm gonna get a Yale pinning kit and try to bring this thing back to life. If I do, I'll make a series about it. He sent me a Best SFIC core, so yeah, that's gonna be fun. He sent me a Kwikset smart key, which I have one and I've never been able to get into one of these things. And he sent me one of these little kick cylinders. Not exactly sure what brand it is, but we're gonna check it out. So he also sent this, and I figured since, you know, we're doing an opening the package thing, we can try to pick this part of the Kwikset cylinder. It's not a smart key, just a regular. Two, three, okay, so let's come back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Must have dropped something when I let some tension off. 2. Okay, yeah, I just had to go back through and hit 2 because I let a little tension off of it. But yeah, mail call for Otter Arms.